Okay, looks like we're live now. Hello, hello, hello. Let's see if I can talk. Hello, hello. Testing 1 2 3. Testing 1 2 3. Hello, hello. Okay, looks like the audio is good. Let's share on social media. Which means basically just Twitter and LinkedIn. That's it. Yeah. I post a lot of my streams on LinkedIn, but I never put really too much attention to that because um, I am still under Accenture's payroll, I think, although I am in the bench. So I'm using this time. Well, first let me present myself again. Well, for the first time on this video anyway. My name is Jorge Escobar. I am a data engineer. And right now I'm between projects. That's basically it. For the past couple of weeks, I've been studying Python and learning Python properly from courses that I found on Udemy. Especially, well, specifically just one. That's a Python bootcamp. And let me see. And I've been streaming my entire experience, or most of it, I think. I've been streaming my learning process and making my learning process publicly and available for everybody that is interested in watching me trying to learn Python. Well, it's been an interesting learning experience. Nevertheless, I think I need to move on into actually getting out of the course and now into the realm of practicing and interiorizing the learning process, which means practicing what I learned and maybe not on a project, but I'm going to be practicing the technical aspects of actually implementing what I learned. In this case today, I'm going to be working in unit testing. I'm going to be focusing today on unit testing. I've been up since morning, but I haven't started this learning stream yet from morning because I was working on a work assignment. I am still looking for a job, and somebody recommended me data warehouse course to be watched on the Skillsoft platform. So I did that. I completed the assignment. I completed the test at the end, and I think that's it for the time being. I believe. So anyway, uh, anyway, let's move on to my computer, and there we go. Oh wait, where is my mouse? I think I failed to bring my mouse here. Okay. I totally forgot to set up my mouse, and there we go. Well, that's the keyboard. I just need my mouse. I don't see it. Maybe it's on the other room. And I'm back. Well, right now I don't really need the headphones. I don't think so. And here we go. There we go. Well, first things first. Whoa. The thing with this particular keyboard is that since it's a full keyboard, it uses a lot of space, and I'm not really used to have such a big keyboard. What? Ah, it's in the wrong. What's this? That's weird. And there we go. I'm just updating packages. It's like a normal thing I do. I wonder if I already implemented the bash script that automatically updates the system. I don't think so. I don't remember. But anyway. Whoa, what? Damn you. Okay, never mind. Yeah, I'm fighting for space down here. But anyway. Well, there are some updates. I don't think so. I just ran an update here, but anyway. Okay, so just to recap, I've been learning from here. There are still 4 days left before these amazing prices on courses remain here. I do have a wish list, and just to let you know, the first one over here, which reads oh, wait a minute. There is something else I forgot to set up, and I really like to use it, and that's my drawing tablet. Yeah, I spent some money on this, so I'm going to definitely use it. I don't care. There we go. I'm not using this at this time. Not using this at this time. Not using this. Not using this and this. Okay. I'm going to show you why I am using a drawing tablet. Just in a second. Well, the idea here is to wait. There we go. Well, the idea here is to select my next step on my learning process. And I had to take several things into consideration. One will be my to cover my income necessities, because I already don't really have an income right now. I'm living off my savings. That's the first thing. There we go. I think that's the place. No, this is not going to work. Yeah, maybe there. Oh. I'm sorry, I should have set this up before. Don't matter. Well, what? Okay. Yeah, it's not going to work as I intended to be. Maybe it will if I try to force it. No, it's not going to work like that. I guess I should do it the old way. There we go. Okay. Whoops. And now I can draw. The thing is that I won't be able to there we go. To see it in real time, but never mind. The important thing is that it's actually working right now. I need to move this over here. And that's it. Well, okay, let's see if we can manage to do something here. Okay. What? Oh, that's another thing I need to fix. Freaking great. Okay, let's see. There we go. Okay. Yeah, okay, no. Yeah, now I remember why I haven't tried to use this too much. There we go. Oh, thank you. So maybe monitor 3. Yes. Thank you. Okay, so now the thing is, it's going to be quite difficult. Yeah, no, this is not going to work. Damn it. Okay, let's try monitor number 3. But in this time, I'm going to try out something else. And that is, I'm trying to force. Since monitor 3 doesn't really have the right resolution, I'm going to try to force it. I wonder if my stream's going to freeze up or something. I don't know. Okay. What is Epic Pen? I don't see Epic Pen. Oh yeah, I see you now. Okay. I wonder if you can see this. Okay. Oh, what? Well, never mind. We're getting some technical difficulties here, but never mind. I think we are solving them. Well, the first step here, or may I say the first, let's delete all that. I may like to make this a little bigger so you can actually see what I'm watching here. There we go. There we go. So this is Udemy, and this is my wish list for today. And let's make a quick review of those courses. The first one over here, let me enclose it. This one over here, which reads Informatica tutorial beginner to expert level, is I intended to pick up one Informatica Power Center course in order to comply with learning Informatica for my company, in this case, Accenture. I had tried out, I've been testing the waters with Informatica Power Center. And what this software is basically an ETL software, allows you to connect to several data sources, transform the data, and apply transformations to the data, and then connect to another database and insert the changes there, or basically the data. It's an ETL tool, a really interesting tool, but during the learning sessions, we've been having a lot of issues because Informatica Power Center licenses are really expensive, and trying to teach a lot of people may come with a very high cost. So the thing is that I don't have it. So I was thinking about buying the course here and watch it once maybe, and hopefully I'm going to be able to rewatch it whenever I need it to figure out the stuff, you know. Well, that's the plan at least. The second one is this. This course over here is I'm looking for a Django 4, and a specific Django 4 course. And this is one of my candidates. I'm having 3 candidates here. There we go. And there is another one over here. So these are my 3 candidates for Django 4. I haven't decided on one yet. Probably I'm going to pick just one now. And I haven't decided which one yet. There's this one over here. Is an old course. And it's pretty, it has a lot of people here. I wonder if it's updated or if it's going to be relevant to me. And this the Django masterclass thing, this is one of the new courses. This is relatively a new course. And there is down one, and this one down here is focusing on creating a Shopify or a shop, an e-shop. And basically it's a project-based course. Maybe I'm going to buy that one. So I was thinking about getting at least one of those. I am undecided still. And on the other hand, we have elegant automation frameworks with Python. This is one of those things to learn after learning Python. Basically is automation, and I believe it contains unit testing, if I recall correctly. Let me see. I don't remember if it contains unit testing. Let's review very quickly. Let's see if you have unit test. Where are the chapters? Did I just pass by them? No, here we are. So this is a really small course, setting up your environment. So chapter 1 is trash in the sense that I'm not going to buy this because of this. Setting up your environment, I guess. Another trash chapter that I don't need because I already had Python. The PyTest framework, yeah, I remember now. So this is one of those courses that, although it's a very small course, it's explaining about PyTest, and I haven't found many courses that touch PyTest by any means. So I've been working with unit tests so far, and this is one of the subjects I am really interested in. So maybe this is going to be one of my must-buy course, I think, just because it's touching PyTest, just because of that. So and it's a very small course, 5 hours. Yeah, it's more just that. This is going to be one of those must-buy, I think. Let me see if I can return. Thank you. Another one, this build REST APIs with Django REST framework. So years ago, I worked as an API developer on AWS. I was basically writing AWS Lambdas with Python. And I work a lot with the REST framework for Django. So that's why I'm going to buy this course, because now that I have a more deeper learning and understanding of the language, I feel capable of learning this framework properly. For those that don't know, this is a framework built on top of another framework. That thing blew my mind at the time, because this is a new framework, and it requires to be run on top of another framework. So this is the Django REST framework and Python. Well, this is the name of the framework, the Django REST framework. And obviously, it's going to require you to be working with Django. And Django is not a library, it's another framework. So basically, in my opinion, frameworks are so hard to learn just as their programming languages. Let's try to go back. So this is one of my must-buy. What's this? Another API testing and automation. This is another PyTest course. It's for building frameworks for API automation testing, backend testing. Okay. Learn how to use Python to test the backend of web services or APIs. So this is a tool. This is a great tool for building backend. Let's see, what do you have? So the first and the second chapter or sections are basically trash because I guess, well, maybe not. Maybe I need to install this and see what's all about. Oh, but look at this. He's installing WooCommerce with map and I don't know. Oh, yeah, I think, okay. His crash course on PyTest. I guess that this course is trying to do too many things at the same time. Build framework. He's providing code. Test case discussion. I don't know. I think I'm not ready to watch this one. That's what I think. I don't know. Yeah, I'm not too sure about this one. Automated testing with Python. I think this is one of my must-to-buy courses. Let me check. A full Python refresher, 5 hours. Oh my god. No, thank you. Your first automated software test. Almost 2 hours. Okay. Writing your first test. Let's just preview. Okay, so that's the test. And that's basically it. Okay. Okay, yeah, very basic stuff. I think this is going to be one of my go-to courses. It's going to be between this one here and the other one I'm going to show you. Well, REST API testing, REST API testing. Yeah, I think this is one of my go-to courses. Acceptance testing. So this is an advanced, I would consider this an advanced course. So I'm going to be buying it, but not watching it immediately. And elegant automation. Let's see what's this about. Okay, this is a small course. What is this? Oh, this is the PyTest framework. Okay, so I will say that the PyTest, this will be first. And then I wonder if this is going to be the next one. No, maybe not. I'm not sure. Maybe I need a Django course. And after Django, the build REST APIs with Django. So let's do this. I'm going to get this one first. Let's. I wonder if I can just add it to the cart. Thank you. Okay. Oh, look at this. They are even considered to add them. Yeah, maybe. Okay, let's go back. That's one. Well, this is going to... I'm going to be buying this one because I already reviewed it. So this is another one. And I am unsure of the other ones. Okay. Okay, let me see. So maybe I need to take a decision on one of those three. There is 1, 2, and 3. Well, I still have time, but I may like to make a commitment right now because the offer is not going to last forever. I only have 4 more days. Yeah, and I don't want to forget about this. Okay, let's see. Show more now. Course curriculum. I think I vaguely remember this. Yeah, I decided that I will jump straight to. I'm going to skip a lot of the course up until maybe advanced Python, errors and exception handling, OP. So this is another one of those courses that is trying to do a lot of things at the same time. This could be renamed to web developer with Django bootcamp because he's trying to teach us HTML, CSS, then a Bootstrap library, which is basically a CSS library to make beautiful websites. Then he jumps into trying to teach us Python, and this could be its own course, the same as with HTML5 and CSS. An introduction to Django framework. So I guess this is where the course actually starts, actually begins. So Django views, I don't know anything of this. Django class-based views, user authentication sessions, and Django Lino. I'm not sure about this one now. This is the new one. Maybe I'm going to be getting this one. Okay, installing, creating a Django project. So this is more Django ORM, object relational model. This is a subject that not many courses touch because it's complex. It requires you to already know about entity relationship databases. Well, not necessarily, but it helps a lot. It's a very short. It's 20 minutes. Adding and styling to Django project with CSS and Tailwind. Tailwind, what's that? I barely remember that name. Forms, create, read, update, delete operations in Django. Authentication, creating user profile. Oh, that's really important. Okay, I think I'm going to add this one. Okay, let's go back. I don't think this is going to cut it. I don't think so. I'm not sure about this one. Let's see this one. This is a project-based course. The base is building our database, which means what? I don't know. Static files, team installation, add more apps, authentication, add user, search, pagination, reviews. I don't know. I don't know about this one. What's this? API testing with Python 3 and PyTest backend automation. Okay. Did I already review this one? Why is a crash course? That should be the main content of the course. Yeah, no. I'm sorry. And we only have these two. I believe I was going to buy this one anyway. Accept and test, and yeah, this is going to be buy. Wait, what? Wait, what? There was another one from the same author. Maybe I should try it out. I closed it way too fast. Okay, where are your courses? Here are your courses. Is this the list of your courses? No, this is I am still on the same course. Selenium WebDriver with Python 3 now. Okay, let's click on your name. Where are your courses? The complete Python course, learn Python by doing in web developer bootcamp with Flash and Python. REST APIs with Flask and Python. This could be interesting. That could be really interesting, actually. The complete Python PostgreSQL course, graphic user interface development with Python and Kinter. Now, that's something I am interested in. Python and PostgreSQL developer course, automated software testing with Python. That's the one I already have. Complete, yeah. Advanced REST API with Flask and Python. Maybe I should try this one too. Yet, if I'm going to be delving into Django, maybe it's going to be over. Well, in that case, nah. If I do it with Flask, why should I do it with Django anyway? Because Django is required by the industry. That's why, my friend. Okay. REST APIs with Flask and Python. Advanced REST APIs with Flask and Python. The complete Python course. Well, Python is way easier to implement than Django. That's for sure. Oh, this guy has really good courses. God damn it. But I need to be very careful with my time, let alone my money. Well, I'm really interested in this because I really need to make graphic user interfaces. Well, toying around with Python is great, but yeah, I need this one. Complete Python, highest rated, Python and PostgreSQL. I will use another one, maybe MariaDB. But PostgreSQL is fine, I guess. Automated software testing. This is the one I already checking out, isn't it? Advanced REST API with Flask. If I'm picking up this one, I will need to pick the other one. This one here. Web Developer Bootcamp with Flask and Python. The complete Python PostgreSQL automated software testing. This is the one is already on my. Oh no! Look at this. Software testing with the Python. No, it's not. Full Python refresher. Why are you repeating Python refresher in every single course? Just get a Python course and be done with it. REST API testing, system testing with Postman and Newman, continuous integration with Travis A, acceptance testing. This is the one I already have, isn't it? On my, yeah, that's the one. Yeah, this guy has a lot of good courses, actually. The complete Python course, this is the one you already have. Shall I buy another Python course? Yet another 35 hours course? I might skip things. Joining a list, okay. Milestone Project 1, errors in Python, files, databases, files, CSV, JSON files with Python. I didn't learn that, actually. Yeah, maybe another course. But I'm going to buy a lot of courses and maybe not even watch them. Yeah, that's an issue I have. Web scraping with Python. Yeah, this is going to be redundant. Browser automation with Selenium. So basically it's yeah, graphic user development. Yeah, but maybe nah. Maybe I'm not there anymore. Automated software testing with Python. This will do. A full Python refresher. Python. Well, I'm going to close the stream because somebody called me anyway. And this is no longer a coding stream anymore. But anyway, thank you for coming. What? Are you kidding me?